Okay, hey guys, welcome back. Today I am doing another haul. I know, I spend a lot of money, I know. But I'll be honest with you, and I would recommend this to anybody. If you're doing nails on the side, you're making extra income doing nails, like nails is my side thing, right? So any money that I make from doing nails, I put back into my business. So I had a couple clients this week, and the money that I made from those clients, I chose to buy new products. So that's what I did. I got a bunch of stuff. This isn't everything, so I'll probably have a little clip in tomorrow with the rest of my stuff. A lot of people tell me to order off AliExpress. I don't want to, I'm sorry. I know everything's cheaper on AliExpress, but to be completely honest, I don't have the patience to sit around and wait 1 month for my products to come. So I personally don't mind paying a little extra money to get it tomorrow or the next day. I'm sorry, I really don't. I really don't. I don't. Okay. Ooh, yes. First thing I got is my Caron Disinfecting Jar. So obviously, as a nail tech, it's very important to disinfect your cuticle pushers, your nippers, whatever. Everything needs to be disinfected. So I decided to get this jar just because it makes it a little bit easier for me. And it's nice and covered up and perfect. So this is what it looks like. So I don't have the prices for everything, but I will list everything down below. And yeah, so I have this jar. It's nice because everything goes right here. It's easy to take out. The other cool thing about this is the bottom is rubber, so it's not gonna slip and slide on your table. So yeah, I'm excited to get started. Next thing I got was this little Twixie ring. So it's a nail polish ring. So it's basically a ring like this. You just put it on your hand. I plan to put it on this finger as I paint. You just stick the polish in there and it's in there. So it makes it easier for you to paint. It's better to use 2 fingers. You can paint and hold the client's nail. What else? I got some more nail files. I go through nail files so fast. Obviously, with every client you get, you should use, I was supposed to order 2 of these. With every client you get, you should use a new file. You guys already know that. What else? This is kind of irrelevant, but for my business cards, I just got a business card holder. I like to keep my cards on me. Next thing, what is this? Oh, something I needed. Obviously, you guys probably saw these in my last huge haul. It's just a bunch of clear nail swatch sticks, which I love. I don't know why I like getting these ones. I used to use the wheels, but I don't know. I just think these are a little bit more classy. They look so cute. Next thing I got was a set of brushes from Macart, which look like this. The reason why I got this is because I have a bunch of nail polishes that are in jars. And the thing with that is you have to use a brush to get them out. So I've been using the same brush over and over again, and I'm over it. So I had to get more. Okay. Next thing I got was a bunch of nail foils. You guys know I have a lot of nail foils, but these ones are so pretty, and I think they'll go really well over top anything. So if you guys can see, bunch of different designs, but they're all like the iridescent. They look like the oil slick type color. I love it. And they're all clear, so this can go over any color just to add a little bit more pizzazz. I don't know what the word is, whatever. Okay, next thing I got, what is this? Cat eye magnet. Oh, these are, so in my newest haul, you guys probably saw that I got a bunch of the 90 cat eye gel polishes. So to go with that, I got a bunch of magnets, and these magnets are pretty cool because they're all different designs. Be careful. So here's a couple of the designs. Does it come with a stick? Like, so this is the end of them. I don't, another 4. So it comes with a set of, oh, and one more. 9 of these. And then it also comes with the standard, like the regular ones, which I already have. And it also comes with a pen. So you can do like a custom design if you wanted. So yeah, can't wait to use those. What else did I get? I got some more Savvyland nail polishes. Okay, Savvyland polishes. I have so many colors, honestly, but one thing I noticed is I don't have a lot of nudes, and everybody wants nudes. I do have a lot of nudes, but they're not like cute nudes. They're like awkward, ugly nudes that don't like go well on people's skin tones. So I decided to get this set from Savvyland. The last thing I got, which I'm kind of irritated about because I ordered two, which I obviously didn't mean to do, are appointment books. So this is going to get returned also. So I really want an appointment book because I like everything in writing. It's not like I'm getting crazy clients, but in the event that I do, I want to have a really good book to pencil people down. So this one was like one of the cheaper ones on Amazon. Just really simple. It just has like the date and then a bunch of times that you can write. Pencil people in. And yeah, I'm excited to use that. What else? I think that's it. So that was a pretty quick haul. I will be back tomorrow to finish up the rest of the haul. I do have a couple more things coming in, and yeah, I think, yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so I just want to show you guys the last things that I got. So I got 2 packages in today. I'm going to start with this smaller one. So the first thing I got were gold. Are they gold or are they bronze again? I really wanted some gold crystals, but it looks like these are more. What the heck? They sent me 2. What's going on? So they are bronze crystals, which look like this. They're supposed to be gold, and I thought that they were gold. They kind of look gold in the camera, but they are definitely like a bronzy, darker gold. And then it also comes with a little box of the bigger crystals, which I'll show you guys right now. I already have some like this, but they're like the rainbowy regular crystals, so I decided to get them in a goldish color. So for some reason they sent me 2 of those, and I don't know why. I really don't know why they sent me 2. But I'll figure that out. Maybe I'll do a giveaway again. I don't know. Another thing I got are just these gold rings. If you guys don't know, I make jewelry. My website is listed down below, so if you guys want to see the jewelry that I make, feel free to do that. I just had to get more rings because my girls have been loving the rings. So last, we're gonna open the bigger package. This is my last package. Do I have scissors? No, but I have long nails. Don't try this at home. So what I got was, ready for it? Yay, a dust collector. Yes, I needed to get a new dust collector because, girl, if you guys saw my, it was like a desk unboxing or desk review. I absolutely love my desk, don't get me wrong, but the fan on there, the dust collector on there, it just isn't strong enough. So I had to get another one just because I'm like inhaling a lot of stuff. So I decided to go with this one because it does have good reviews on Amazon. Hey, I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what it looks like real quick. So it's actually smaller than I thought it would be. So that's kind of exciting because I thought it'd be much bigger. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The power button's here. I hope it's not loud. Most likely I'm gonna do another set on myself just so I can test this out. So the adapter cord goes there, and it also comes with the cord. And then if you need a new filter, it just pulls right out. And if you guys can see, the fan is in there. So really simple to use. The only thing that I'm sad about is it's just gonna take up more space on my desk, which sucks, but it's fine, I guess. I gotta live with it. Yeah. I got a little package here. Oh, I know what this is. This is the last product that I got, and it is, so we got a bunch of powders from Born Pretty, and I'm also gonna do a swatch on these, and I'm gonna insert it because I still have to swatch my nail colors as well. I got 4 different nail powders, and these are the mirror nail powders. So it came in a red one, it comes with a black one, and then 2 gold ones. So definitely gonna swatch that for you guys, and yeah. So yes, that is the end of this haul. I hope you guys liked it. I don't know, I'm gonna have everything listed down below, and yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, like, all that stuff. Also check out my social medias as well as my website if you guys are interested in purchasing any of my jewelry, or yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any suggestions of what you want to see, make sure you leave them down below, or if you're happy with what I'm doing, just let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.